Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to set up Hostinger for WordPress. First, you will choose a hosting plan that perfectly suits your website's needs, whether it's a small blog or a larger e-commerce store. Next, you will either register a brand new domain name or easily connect one you already own to your Hostinger account. Finally, complete the straightforward initial setup wizard to get your hosting environment ready to go. Now, let's get WordPress installed in just a few clicks. You will access the user-friendly H-Panel dashboard, which is Hostinger's custom control panel designed for ease of use. From there, locate the Auto Installer feature, typically found under the Website section. Simply select WordPress from the list of applications and follow the straightforward on-screen prompts to complete the installation in under 1 minute. With WordPress installed, it is time for some essential configuration. Log into your brand new WordPress dashboard using the credentials you set up during installation. Update your site title, tagline, and other general settings to reflect your brand identity. Then, explore the vast library of themes to find one that fits your vision and install crucial plugins for security, performance, and other desired features. You are almost ready to launch your amazing WordPress website. Before going live, thoroughly review all your content and design elements to ensure everything looks perfect. Implement essential security measures, such as using strong, unique passwords and setting up regular backups, which are crucial for peace of mind. Finally, optimize your site for speed using caching and image compression to provide an excellent user experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.